So this time we're gonna do this with count, because here you need to break the count. It's not 1, 4. If you need to count, it's gonna be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm counting the moves. My arm was counting the rhythm of the music. So we're gonna do this with the count of my voice. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So when you go to the right and you're turning, you're pushing with your left leg and turning to the left. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Two jumps on the right leg and 3 jumps on the left leg, and then reverse for the left side. But you're turning into the same direction. With this, we're just learning to control your body, to control your center, build your strength, build the rhythm, so you're in control of the body and you're deciding where it is moving. All right, let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Didn't change my foot there, but when you're done going to one side, there is one count, one jump before you're starting doing running man on the left leg. So you're finished. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty easy. Let's do it again with music. Alright, so here when you do the turn, you came back 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. And all from the beginning. Change the direction, spin. You can turn. Already when doing running man, you can turn or change the direction when you do travel rocking. You can use it already to turn you. And go right into the turn. Or turn when doing running man. And then start rocking one direction. Do it as you feel like doing it. Make it your own. Think how you can help your legs with your upper body. How you can compensate for the weight of your legs with your arms, for example, on the other side. When you do travel rock, one side, give little weight from your upper body to the opposite side to help you to keep the balance in the middle. Balance is always in the middle. You're always centered. That what allows you to do movements with another part unexpectedly, or jump, because you're always centered. Think about it. decided to do this. If you're gonna successfully learn this combination and you're gonna nail it, and if you want to participate in a little contest, just make me a video with your best moves, tag me, send it to me, and the winner for the best video, I'm gonna mail you this bankster box. As you know, little surprise, why not? Doesn't cost you anything, and you learn something for free and get something for free. That's awesome. So if you want to do that, I'd be more than happy to mail it to wherever you are. Just make a great video. And I hope this really helps you. Bye.